I have just downloaded the NetZero app, and I'm just going through the comments. So Octopus Energy users benefit from automatic Powerwall charging during the Intelligent Octopus Go, supports Agile Octopus, etc., etc., which is exactly what I want. After downloading the app, there are 3 connections I need to make for NetZero to work. The first is signing in with the Powerwall username and password. Sign in with Tesla. Username password will only be shared with Tesla. And if I go and look at the screen here, it's telling me Powerwall's 58%. That's incredible. It looks as though I'm now connected to my Powerwall. That was remarkably easy. There was no toggling or anything. The second is pairing Powerwall 3 to NetZero app. And from what I understand, this allows NetZero to communicate with the Powerwall battery. Account, subscription, notifications, Powerwall pairing. Pairing NetZero with your Powerwall enables advanced features like go off-grid automations and local monitoring. You need to be near Powerwall to toggle the switch during the pairing process. So find the switch on the left-hand side of the Powerwall and flip the cover open, and then toggle the switch off and on. Okay, so let's go off and do that. So that's the battery here. So I'm going to press it off, and that's there. So begin pairing and put it back on again. So now you can see that flashing back on and off. Okay, so it should be paired successfully. Brilliant. And if you look down here, that's no longer flashing. So that's me paired, and then I go finish. Brilliant. Can't be better. Now let's see what happens after that. So that looks as though I'm connected. Yeah. The third is linking NetZero to Octopus, and this allows NetZero to actively read the dynamically changing prices and to the time periods. Provide Octopus Energy API key and account number to configure your rate plan. NetZero will automatically retrieve your tariff data and keep your rate up to date. So where do I find the API key? It says click on personal details on your profile icon, scroll down to the developer settings. Okay, and then I put it into my mobile over here. That's it all connected, so I'll watch it with interest.